Running low on foreign currency and panicking before your big trip? Don't worry, topping up your Axis Forex card is easier than you think. First, unlock your phone and open the Axis Bank mobile app. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best experience. Once logged in, look for the cards option on the dashboard. It's usually located at the bottom of the screen or in the main menu. Tap on it. You'll see a list of all your Axis Bank cards. Find your Axis Forex card and tap on it to view its details. On the card details screen, you should find an option labeled Reload Card or Add Funds. The exact wording might vary slightly. Tap on this option. Now, select the currency you want to add to your card. Then, enter the amount you wish to reload. Double-check the amount to avoid any errors. Choose the bank account from which you want to transfer the funds. Make sure you have sufficient balance in that account. A confirmation screen will appear, displaying all the details of your reload transaction. Review everything carefully before proceeding. You will receive an OTP one-time password on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP in the provided field to authorize the transaction. Once the OTP is validated, your Axis Forex card will be successfully reloaded. You'll see a confirmation message on the screen, and your updated balance will be reflected shortly. Now you're all set for your trip.